You guys, today is a good day. Let's quickly unbox this ultrasonic 10 inches 600 watt active aluminum subwoofer. Drum rolls. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. We have our wires, the red, black, blue, yellow. The technician should know which goes to where. And then we have this one. Okay, we have our manufacturer's manual in case you get confused. This should do. Let's get this out of the way. Then this is our big guy. I just saw something. This should be the clutches, the screw, and whatever. Oh my god. Oh my god. This radio is definitely going to give you that doom 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 doom. See I'm now. But yeah, let me quickly show you one or two functions. So all those wires where I show you, now here, them suppose enter. And this place, dum 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 dum. Suppose show you a sample how it works in a car, but I never buy car. No worry, God of Hallelujah challenge go do this year, you know go pass this year. But then if you need this ultrasonic woofer or any other kind of woofer for your cars, any type of car, I'm your plug. Just DM and leave the rest. Bye.